Welcome back to Rocar Coding channel. In this clip, I'm showing the retrofit from halogen position lights to LED DRL headlights with no wiring changes and a simple FORScan. Coding that includes loading the missing BCM2 file. We'll download the .vbf configuration for FORScan, connect the diagnostic interface to the car's OBD2 port. I used a Vlinker V-Gate FS device. Turn the car's ignition on. I used FORScan to code the BCM module. First, I scanned all systems to make sure no errors were present. The scan takes about 2 minutes, during which each electronic module of the car is checked. After the scan completes successfully, open the Programming tab. We receive the error secondary bootloader file not found. FORScan tries to search the server, but the file isn't available. So we move on to manually downloading the file mentioned in the error message. We go to the Ford Service Info website and navigate to Diagnostic Tool Support gives Software gives IDS gives Overview. At the bottom of the page, we find the Calibration Files section. We open it and enter the code of the file we're looking for. Click the Download File button, and if the file exists, it will download automatically. Once it's downloaded, move it to the folder where FORScan reads Custom Added Configuration Files. Program Files gives your user gives calibration files. After placing the file in the correct location, disconnect from the BCM module and connect again. With the calibration file now available, FORScan can finally load the full list of editable channels for the BCM. This gives you access to the settings required for the new headlights. Open the Daytime Running Lights channel in the BCM2 module and change the setting from its original value, 02 Standard Dipped Light, to 05 Dedicated Day Running Light in position 0 and pause. Once the change is made, press right to apply it to the car's BCM. During the write process, follow FORScan's prompts for ignition on or ignition OFF exactly as shown. Make sure the car's battery stays above 12.1 volts throughout the procedure to avoid interruptions. The write process for the new BCM values takes less than 1 minute. After the coding is complete, the DRLs in your new headlights will operate at a much higher brightness when the light switch is in position 0. You can clearly see the differences in the DRL brightness before and after coding on the new headlights. After the coding, the DRL brightness in position 0 is noticeably stronger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more content.